Good morning, children. Today we will study moral science, and the subject matter of our discussion is punctuality. See, chapter 4, it is punctuality. So, in my last class, I told about punctuality and what is punctuality, and I have given you the definition of punctuality. But still, I have written what is punctuality because we are dealing with the same chapter. So, what is punctuality? It is a question. So today, all of you take page number 23. See, page 23. What is punctuality? See, the different definitions have been given here. The first definition of punctuality is a habit of doing things on time. So, when we do anything or when we come for class or whatever program we go for, when we go and we reach before time, before starting the program, that we have reached in advance, and therefore it can be called that we are punctual. So similarly, see, punctuality is a habit of doing things on time. So when you do things in time, that is called punctuality. Now, 2 points you see, it is a secret of success. See, the person one who does things on time, only that particular person can achieve success. Or in other words, we can say, if he or she does his work on time, he will be really successful person, because he is not keeping anything for other day. It means he does the work on the very particular day, whatever task or homework or whatever is given to him or her, he does on the very day, and therefore he will achieve success. So it is the secret of success. Yes. Third point, it means everything in orderly manner. So a punctual person will try to do everything in order. Not one thing doing before and doing the other things the next day and so on. Rather, he will be doing his work constantly and in a systematic way. Okay. Fourth point, it means completing the task and being available on time. See, the homework is given in the class to be done in the home. So, if you don't do the homework and you come to the school next day, the teacher will ask you question, and therefore he or she will try to ask you, why did you not do your homework? So, you have not done, therefore it is your mistake. So, it means completing the task and being available on time. So, do the work on given time, on proper time. Okay. Next point. It helps in managing one's own time, thereby respecting others as well. So, when you are punctual, you respect others. You don't try to take others' time for yourself. Rather, you complete the work on time. In this way, you respect others. Okay, next one. Being punctual is a sign of discipline. Only a disciplined person can do. For example, you see the army, people are very, very punctual. They do everything on time. Similarly, as a student, we need to do everything according to time or in given time. See, being punctual is a sign of discipline. A disciplined person only can do everything on time. Indisciplined person cannot do, because he is lazy. He is taking everything not seriously, and therefore he will try, oh, tomorrow I will do. Sir or ma'am has given work today, tomorrow I will be doing. So, in this way, he will be not a disciplined person, rather, he will be doing lethargically or slowly or as he likes or as she likes. So, he will not be called a punctual person. Next point. If you are not punctual, you might miss many important things in life. See, if you are not punctual, you will lose many things in life. because you are not doing anything on proper given time, and therefore you will miss many things due to your laziness. Next point, turn the page, page number 26 or 24. Punctuality is proof that you are reliable, you are believable, you are believed by others. If you are punctual, okay, that suppose you tell tomorrow I will come at 8 o'clock in the morning, and if you come at exactly at 8 o'clock or before 8, the people will believe you. Or for other reason, if you have taken any things from others or you have borrowed from others, if you return on the certain day, which day you have told that I will be returning you so and so date or so and so date, if you return him or her whatever things you have taken on the very day, that particular person will believe you. And if you don't fulfill in other way, people will not believe you. Okay. Next one. Punctuality helps you to gain trust of other people. If you are punctual, you gain the trust of other people. People will believe you. People will trust in you because this particular person is faithful person. He or she doesn't cheat. Rather, he is a reliable person. People will believe you. Okay. Next one. Punctuality saves you from awkward position. See, for example, whenever you are there, awkward position means when you are invited for any marriage celebration or birthday or any program, if you reach before time, before starting the program, you don't feel uneasiness, you don't feel awkwardness, you don't feel ashamed because you have already reached, you have already present yourself there, and therefore there is no hesitation, there is no feeling of shy or shyness, so you don't feel awkward. Okay. Next one, punctuality creates good impression on others. See, the punctual people are always respected and they are always given good place, or they are respected. In other words, a lazy person, one who comes slowly after the program has started and it has finished half, if he or she reaches, that is not good at all. And therefore, punctuality creates good impression on others. People or other people will like you if you reach for any program, any school events or any other celebration or program. If you reach to that particular place before time, people will respect you. So my dear children, it's enough. I will continue in my next class. Thank you for attending this particular class.